Hi everyone, Disha this side from
Hi
Finland.
दिशा, उस दिशा में दिशा सब देख लो, वो दिशा में, there.
This side.
Yes.
Janak, my question is for you. If you remember the conversation we had 3-4 months back when you mentioned that इतने साल से मेहनत मैंने नए चेहरों से insecure होने के लिए नहीं की है. I hope you remember that conversation and how proud are you for the glory and the projects you are doing right now?
Honestly, this is also my acting comeback after many years. And जब भी मैंने आप लोगों से बात करी है, सबने मुझसे पूछा है नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट कब, एक्टिंग में मिस कर रहे हैं. बहुत सारे लोगों को अब पता ही नहीं है कि मैंने मेरी शुरुआत ही एक्टिंग से करी थी. उनको लगता है मैं सिर्फ सोशल मीडिया करती हूँ, जबकि मुझे 18 साल हो गए. बहुत ही छोटी उम्र से स्टार्ट किया था और हमेशा आप लोगों को यही बोलती थी कि मैं उस परफेक्ट प्रोजेक्ट के लिए वेट कर रही हूँ और जब तक कि मुझे वो नहीं मिलता मुझे वेट करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तो ग्लोरी मेरे लिए वो प्रोजेक्ट है जिसके लिए मैंने बहुत साल वेट किया है एंड आई थिंक द वेट वाज वर्थ इट. मैं बहुत प्राउड हूँ उस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, पूरी टीम के लिए. इतनी पैशनेट टीम, इतनी सपोर्टिव टीम, इतनी हार्ड वर्किंग टीम. Thank you to each and everyone. Everybody's made this journey so special, so smooth for me. Thank you Karan sir, thank you Kanesh, thank you Pulke, Devendu, everybody. बहुत मेहनत करी है हम सभी ने पिछले 1.5-2 साल में और मैंने गुड़िया के कैरेक्टर के साथ रियल रहने के लिए पूरी कोशिश करी है. 100% दिया है. बाकी शो आने के बाद आप डिसाइड करेंगे, ऑडियंस डिसाइड करेगी. बट वी आर ऑल वेरी पॉजिटिव कि आप सबको ग्लोरी हमारा बहुत पसंद आएगा.
Hello? Hey, hi.
Hola.
I think this is a little bit of a hindrance, right? Okay, this is Alice Peter from Amarasi. My questions to Pulkit and Divyendu. On the day this story was told to you, right? What's the one thing that stayed with the both of you?
I think apart from the fact that it was all happening against the backdrop of boxing world and Haryana and everything, the core of it was a dysfunctional family where you have this really strange relationship between father and 2 sons, and there's this sister as well, and how things are. So for me it was more than anything, it was just such a human story with so much of tyag, balidan, and everything there. So I could relate, I mean, a lot to it. I don't even come from that that region or from that background or anything, but yeah, I could just feel these characters, the story and everything. Yeah.
How are you?
Very well. How are you?
यार जब मैंने स्टोरी सुनी और मुझे पता चला, सबसे पहले तो थैंक यू करण फॉर having that conversation with me. I asked Karan that, I just told Karan I want to do good work. और करण ने उसके बाद मुझे ग्लोरी की कहानी सुनाई and I just started prepping, क्योंकि जैसे ही मैंने सोचा ये करूँ या नहीं करूँ, मेरे अंदर से आवाज़ ही पावड़ा हो गया कि I said I have to do this. You have to be a nutcase if you say no to this. Seriously, it has everything. It's got drama, thrill, action, everything is there, and it's got Karan Anshul and Netflix, so it's a banger.
Tanya, my question is also to you. Okay, like you said a while back, that this one's a gender-defining one, right? Sorry, genre-defining one, right? And the fact that it's a perfect blend, right? Why do you think that this is going to be a story that needs to be told on Netflix?
That's a great question. I think there are a couple of things. One is just the freshness of the world, right? We try and actually touch upon different backdrops in this story-rich country. So going into really the akharas of Haryana was something very exciting. And through sports and then through a thriller, I think it all came together well. As a country, as a storytelling community, I think genre blending is really like our forte. So this one, when it has such an interesting mix of genres and elements, it really was well put down in the script. And then I think the way we all together managed to bring this to life with this really dynamic cast. I mean, each one of them has brought in many punches to it, pun fully intended. So it really came together as an amazing franchise with a world that is so full of elements to explore that we've only just gotten started in season 1.